Yes, everybody, I am out of breath, but I'm walking up a 35% incline. Let me just swing you around so you can see. Not exaggerating this hill. Look at it. I'll turn you around. Look at it up there. Oh my God.
His feet are as high as our heads already.
You enjoying this one? That's a classic, isn't it? I mean, there's not a bead of sweat on you. There is me. But I'm hairy though, that's the thing. Castleton Cement Works there. Bamford down in the hollow. Ladybower down in the hollow over there. And a Win Hill up on the top. Okay. How cool's that? This view is just going to get better and better, guys. I can promise you that. That view just keeps teasing, doesn't it? We made it to the top. Well, not the top. This is the bottom of the top. Okay, so the annoying thing is here is we could have parked up here. This is the thing about doing these recce's like this, is you don't realise that you could just park here and cut out that whole bank, but then that's what it's about, isn't it? So next time I'll work out where that car park is and plan the trip accordingly. But unlucky for Lou, we're doing a recce today. So
I don't mind.
I don't mind. But anyway, guys, just taking this view now. We'll just stop here for a second and taking that panoramic view. Look. Okay. There you go. Look. That is the Hope Valley. Look. Is that tremendous or what? Bamford Edge is that way. It's quite a clearly defined path, which is good. But what a view, eh, Lou?
Yeah.
What a view. And it's going to get much better as we climb. So we've got a bit of a style to climb over now. Oh no, we haven't. Yes, we have. When you've got a dog to get over, that's not great, is it? Okay. Dogs must be kept on a lead. Livestock. Finally kind of reached the top now. You can see all that gritstone. That is a brutal walk, I'll say that much. So here you can start to see some of the millstones here that was basically carved in place here but never used. You can see that one there's partially done. There's another one just there. They've started to do that one and just given up. Quite unique, really. So now, guys, we're looking over towards Ladybower now, which is just hidden around that corner. But one thing is beautiful. Look at that massive cloud that's there. Look at it, that one there. Look at its reflection on the how big it looks on the hillside there. There you go, guys. That's the view we wanted. That's the view we wanted. Yeah. There we go. Ladybower and Derwent stretching out beyond us. Pretty damn impressive. We are sitting at the top of Bamford Edge now. I've seen it, I've looked at it, I've seen the pictures of it, and we're now standing on top of it. Yeah, absolutely great. I mean, you cannot beat that view down there with Ladybower stretching out there. You can see the plug hole, the other plug hole's just out of sight. You can see the dam down there as well. Over there you can see the Ashupton viaduct there. Then you can see Derwent running up and into the valley there. Ladybower looks so small now compared to what it is when you drive down it. And then over there we've got Win Hill. You can see the track up to the top of Win Hill there. It's a strange hill that is, because it's almost got a flat top on it. But yeah, here it's pretty cool. Well, there you go, guys. It doesn't get much better than that for a view, does it? I have no words of the beauty that is. Well, we're starting to make our way back down on this, well, what can I say, random pathway, which is a bit precarious, all the way through all of these fern bushes, which is really weird. And obviously the ever-present lake there as well, as we head down the side of the mountain itself, or hill, or whatever you call it. So we've carried on down this track, and now it's brought us into the woodland over a little stile. I really recommend you coming down this way if you can find it, that is. This is a really nice path to come out to, to come down off Bamford Edge, unless you didn't want to do a complete go there and come back. But this is kind of where we are now. We're in the woods, and we've got this sort of informal track here that's leading through the bushes and stuff. We've changed direction now a little bit, so we're going east, but it's clear as day. I can hear the road now. We're only going to be on the road briefly, so we'll see where it brings us out. Well, it has brought us here, and this is Ladybower Reservoir, and this is where we're not actually completed the circular walk yet, but you know, this is somewhere you could visit anyway. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, and till the next destination, I'll see you later.